Welcome to Best Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of UV printers. Compact, powerful machines that bring creativity and customization right to your fingertips. We've lined up 5 exciting models, and we'll count them down from number 5 to number 1. Let's get started. Number 5. The EufyMake E1. This compact UV printer is all about accessibility. Designed for beginners and small businesses, the EufyMake E1 makes printing on a wide variety of surfaces quick and easy. Whether you're customizing phone cases, creating gifts, or personalizing accessories, it delivers vibrant color and sharp detail in a machine that's simple to use. If you want UV printing without the complexity, the EufyMake E1 is a strong starting point. Number 4. The Procolored V11-Pro. This model steps things up with impressive versatility. The V11-Pro offers a generous printing area and supports multiple materials, from plastics and glass to wood and metal. With its upgraded ink system, it ensures smooth color gradients and durable prints that resist fading. For small studios or creators looking for professional quality without breaking the bank, the Procolored V11-Pro hits that sweet spot. Number 3. The Roland VersaSTUDIO BD8. Roland is a trusted name in printing, and the BD8 lives up to that reputation. This UV printer is compact yet powerful, offering exceptional precision and consistency. It's perfect for promotional items, prototypes, or even intricate packaging. The BD8 also integrates seamlessly with Roland's software ecosystem, making it a reliable choice for businesses that need both speed and accuracy. Number 2. The Epson SureColor V11-Pro. Epson brings its legendary printing expertise into the UV space with the V1070. This printer is built for detail and color fidelity, producing stunning results across an impressive range of substrates. Its advanced ink system allows for white and varnish printing, adding texture and brilliance to your designs. If your priority is premium print quality with Epson's trusted reliability, the V1070 won't disappoint. Number 1. The LogoJet UV-X40R+. The LogoJet UV-X40R+ is built for professional-grade performance with a large print area and incredible versatility. It handles complex, high-volume jobs with ease, offering vibrant colors, durable finishes, and specialty effects like gloss and texture. Whether you're running a print shop or scaling up a customization business, the UV-X40R+ gives you the freedom to create without limits. And there you have it. 5 of the most exciting UV printers available right now. There's a model here for every need and budget. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Which of these printers would you choose for your projects? Let us know in the comments below.